Hey guys, it looks like we are going to have a fantastic summer. The sun is out, it's camping season, and we have got the coolest little rig so you can go up in the woods, take it over to the coast, or go and stay at Grandma's house. This is a Rockwood Forest River 1640 ESP. It's Extreme Sports Edition. That being said, it's got a raised axle, so you've got lots and lots of clearance on this thing. It has everything that the big trailers have, just in a smaller way. So you've got your power cord here, you've got Furion TV, it's solar ready, you've got the city water inlet, you've got flushing system, you've got all this stuff all ready to go. There's a little outside spray to you, so even like the big trailers, you got a way to clean out your cooler, wash off the dog's feet or your own. A lot of people call them, they want to take something up in the woods, or they want to take it over to the beach, and very few of these trailers have enough clearance to maintain that. But this is it. This will do it. You also have this little cool toy lock right here, because a lot of times the person that's using this is on a quad, or they're going to have other things out there, bicycles or other things. That's super nice to have. It's an add-on. It's an addition that our managers made sure they included. This is just a great color scheme. I'm going to go in myself. Aluminum stairs, that's handy dandy. They're not going to go bad on you. So what do you think of this? What do you think of this? I didn't expect this. When the first time I looked at this rig, I thought, wow, that is really cool. Because now you have a small tent trailer and you still have a couch. This is going to be your table, or it's going to be an extra bed for someone else. You've got a little twin bed back here, and this kind of speaks for itself. A little ditty bagger to put the kids' stuff, things to put your place to put your things. Both of the beds are heated, so they feel like an electric blanket. If it does get cool, you don't have to worry about it. They're going to stay nice and warm off your batteries. You've got an outlet here and a TV cable hookup, some drawers, a cabinet. This is your refrigerator here, which is plenty of refrigerator for what you need in this particular unit. So there's lots of room in there. This is wired for solar. You've got a little sink here. And then this is our double bed. There are a few other things that are features on this particular unit. It's just so very hard to catch it all on camera. Seeing is believing. You got to come in here and sit down on it like I am. Hopefully it'll be a beautiful day, and if it's not, you won't have to worry about it, because you'll be in this little RV and you'll not know it. So come on out, see Barb. 541-521-4232. Let's chat a little bit, take a ride on out to Guaranty and take a look at it. Thank you.